Well, holy crap. You want to talk about generation? You don't need no stinking script and custom code. Just ask Copilot to help you look at descriptions, go through them. Also, they also talked about synonyms too. We've talked about a ton when it done, and it's like that's almost a daunting task for an individual to do, to go through an entire model. And it takes a lot of time for something you may not use. Copilot's got it.
So you can actually tell Copilot to make the synonyms.
Exactly.
That's
Exactly.
the kind of stuff that we're talking about here. We're starting to get to the point where things are actionable, right? To me,
This is yeah.
it also feels like a point where we're, imagine you wanted to do some documenting of your model. You should be able to kind of like pop open Copilot and just say, "Hey, Copilot, document my model by adding descriptions and synonyms for all my measures and columns." And what it should come back with is like a menu, a screen that says, "Here's all the things that I think you should add. I've already pre-written everything for you. Just read them over. Do they make sense? Or am I right in what I've assumed about this information?" That would be really helpful.
And I mean, that's exactly what we have because Mike, I've gone through descriptions and been that person where they want to use the chat feature or even like the natural language feature with having the proper information there. And it's a lot of time to do if you want to get it right for something you may not be sure that is going to be widely used. And so this is a great way that Copilot come in. Again, going back to our point, it doesn't necessarily have to have the most perfect description off the bat.
Nope.
For a lot of people, as long as
something,
something, and then we can update, we can prioritize it rather than looking at all blanks.